In this video, I'm going to show you a few maths resources that you can use at home that are quite hands-on for your child. So the first example that I'm going to give you is fantastic. You've probably got them at home from board games, but they are counters. You can use them for not only games, but also one-to-one recognition, grouping with multiplication, division and fractions. And they're a great way for children to visualise what's in front of them. Second thing I've got is money. Money is fantastic. Play money is great. Monopoly money, whatever you've got. Notes and coins are fantastic because they allow children to be able to make specific amounts of money with coins and notes, also calculate change. And when we start looking at place value, it helps them understand decimals because you've got money values, $3.50, $10.50, $10.20, and they're able to create that with the coins in front of them. Another fantastic resource that you probably have at home are playing cards and some dice. Probably won't use them together, but the playing cards are fantastic when children draw two cards. They can multiply or add those two cards together. The same can be done with the dice, but there are definitely a range of resources that you can access online that will also give you other ideas with how to use playing cards or dice. Some search terms that you could use might be probability games using playing cards or probability games using dice. There's plenty out there. The last resource I'll show you is the MAB blocks or base 10 blocks, which you might not have at home, but a website, didax.com, has virtual resources that you're able to access, and these are fantastic when children are looking at things like volume or place value. So when you access didax.com, the best thing to do is to search virtual resources and look for the activities called base 10 blocks.